My name is Dac Austin. I'm the creative director at Hole Distillery. We are located in Louisville, Kentucky, and we make one-of-a-kind original works of bourbon. Each one of our whiskeys has its own grain recipe that's not like anything else on the market. One of the things that's necessary for what I do is having a partner that has the ability to do modifications quickly, efficiently, and in real time. One of the relationships that we have built is one with Independent 2, who is our shipcase provider. The responsivity that we receive from their team is excellent, and that really resonates with what we do with our shipcases and what we're able to produce. Now, this is an example of some of the work that we've done, and as you can see, the clarity, the color, and the product is outstanding. You think about the digital application on a corrugated product, we're able to make edits with color, with typography, and see it within minutes. If we were to do this in a conventional manner, we would have had to shut down the press, take the plates off, remake the plates, reapply the ink, and wait for hours for this to happen. All I had to do for this was create a new file, run it through the machine, and it's instantaneous. There's no mixing of inks, there's no wipe up or clean up for the machinery. It's just moving the board through and it works effectively and efficiently. That is something that is magnificent in what we're able to do. And it shows a merger of the digital and corrugate world.